Hello everyone. I love Red65 AJ here, obviously, and I'm playing Deltarune, and this is the first video with my little webcam. And whoa, can I? Excellent. I don't think I can put it on full screen because it won't work. Truly, excellent. Oh, this is awesome. Now we may begin. I've never played Deltarune. Whoa. I've never played Deltarune, but I love it so far. First, you must create a vessel. Oh, okay. I've seen people play this, and I really want to play this myself. Select the head that you prefer. Oh, yeah, you've got to make a, I don't really care. Just go for this one. This one. Select the torso. It doesn't really matter to me. Like, it doesn't... That one. Select the legs. The first ones. This is your body. Okay. Do you accept it? Yes, I do. Excellent. You have created a wonderful form. Thank you. Now, let us shape its mind as your own. Okay. What is its favourite food? Sweet, soft, sour, salty, plain or cold? I've played that as plain. Soft, I guess. Your favourite blood type? AB, I guess? I don't know. What colour does it like most? Blue, definitely for me. I love how my channel name's I Love Red, but my favourite colour's blue. Wow, okay. Please give it a gift. Kindness, mind, ambition, bravery, voice. I'll give it bravery. How do you feel about your creation? It will not hear. Disgust. I'm joking. I love my creation. Have you answered honestly? Yes, I have. You acknowledge the possibility of pain and seizure? What? Yeah, okay. I suppose. Understood. Name your vessel. Right. So I've heard that apparently, since the main character is called Chris, apparently Chris is taken over by Kara. So I'm going to name my vessel Chris and name the creator Kara and see if anything happens. So let me see. Where is the K? Oh, there. Oopsies. Chris. Where's the O? There. Chris. Apparently this has an Easter egg too. Chris. An interesting coincidence. And what about the creator? I'm going to call the creator Kara. Or Chara. However you want to say her name. Let me just... Oops. Kara. Where is the... This takes so long. Like... Kara. And then go to end. Kara. Excellent. Truly excellent. I love it. Kara. Thank you for your time. Your answers. Your wonderful creation will now be discarded. What? Why? No one can choose who they are in this world. Fair enough. Your name is, and it does the same thing that Undertale does. Wow. Oh, it's Toriel! Yay, Toriel! Chris! Chris, if you do not wake up, we will be late for school. Oh, look at Mama Toriel. She's so cute. I will wait outside for you, alright? Oh, she's so cute. Accurate representation of me on a Monday morning. Like, honestly. I want to see what's in here. Oops. The drawer is mostly empty, except for a school cross-country shirt with a tear in it. There are CDs under the bed. Classical, jazz, religious, ska. There's also a game console. It has one normal controller and one knockoff one. What's this? It's a computer desk. There are many boxes under it filled with old books. Okay, yeah, this probably won't say. Okay, there's nothing useful in the drawer. Wait, that's changed. There's nothing useful in the drawer. It's a beautiful day outside. Sans, is that you? Is this you, Sans? Does this turn the light on? Clothes drawer. Is that all it says? Clothes drawer. What's this? It's a red wagon with a rusty bird cage in it. Looks like it's seen quite a few crashes. Okay, let's go. I haven't checked this out. There are many books. Tales of... Wow! Tales of Snails, a storybook. Snails do not have tails. Scientific refutation. Can snails help your garden? Not really. And a signed copy of The History of Humans and Monsters by Gerson Boom. Oh, Gerson! Oh. What's this? Cactus. There's not much to say about it. There are crayons in the drawer. Their labels have long faded, and there's no green. Okay. That's a bit specific. Oh, it's me! It's only you. What's this? The door is locked. Why am I not surprised? Toriel keeping her secrets from us again. What is this door? Oh, it's the bathroom! It's a toilet. Flush it. Oh, there's an Easter egg with this. Apparently if you keep flushing the toilet over and over and over, it annoys Toriel, so I'm gonna do that. Do-do-do-do-do-do! You flushed the toilet. Really? Thanks. I'm just gonna keep spamming. Do-do-do-do-do! Right, okay, I'm gonna keep doing this just to annoy Toriel. Yes. Chris, is everything alright in there? Yes, Mama Toriel, it's all good. I'm just being annoying with the toilet. Just having a bit of child fun, you know what I mean? Yes. I think it's one more, and then it's after 9, I think, that nothing happens. I think it's this time again, sure. Chris, what are you doing? You did not put a bath bomb in the toilet again, did you? Wow. Who puts bath bombs in the toilet? Clearly someone who has nothing better to do with their lives. Probably me, to be honest. This is probably going to start annoying people, but I think it's only 9 times where it does anything else. Yes. You flushed the toilet. Chris, if anything bad happens, you are paying for the plumbing bill. And I've also noticed that at the top here it says the beginning. Apparently this changes throughout the game. On the shower ledge, there's a small container of apple-scented shampoo. And a gallon-sized container of pet shampoo, probably for Toriel. So nothing here? Nothing? Nope, okay then. There's a photo on the fridge. It's of you, your mother, and your brother. That's real. There's some white fur stuck in the drain. Oh, that's in the original Undertale. Okay. There's some cinnamony batter caked on the stovetop. She'll probably be making cinnamon and butterscotch pie again. Cookie cutters for gingerbread monsters and gingerbread humans. It's a trash can. Somehow it's emitting a pleasant floral scent. She put stuff in there. It's a landline phone, but you already have a cell phone. I do? How do I access it? Oh! Control, right. How does it go away? How does this go away? Ring. I'm gonna call home. The phone is ringing, but you can't get it. You're already on the phone after all. Wow, okay. It's Chariel, the beloved living room chair. Isn't that the chair from the original game? I believe it is. It's the TV. Doesn't seem to be even plugged in anymore. This chair does not... Okay, that's boring. Literally nothing. It's a book of hymns. Wow, okay. Chris, there you are. We might still be able to make it. Yes, Chris, it is a beautiful day today, is it not? Oh, this is so cute. I hope it stays this way when Asriel visits next week. I love this music. I've listened to the soundtrack. But I wonder, after the excitement of university, will he still enjoy coming home to this little town? Aww. Oh, it's Undyne! Hi! On the library still spelt bad. Okay. Wow, just that one little cubby hole for our car. Nice one, Toby Fox. Oh, this is so cute! Aww, look at it holding my little hand. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, hugs for Mom. Hugs for Toriel. I'm assuming I'm going to class now. Can I not? Okay, I can't control myself there. Oh, it's Alphys! So, does everyone have a... It's me, bitch. Oh, Chris, we thought you weren't coming today. We're doing group projects this month. So walk around and find a partner, okay? Oh, yes, okay. I know how this game, like, what they all say, but, you know, I wanted to play as myself. Partner, I hardly know her. Ha ha ha, what do you think of that one? Funny, right? No? Well, I got news for you, pal. I already got a partner. Scram. No need to be rude, buddy. Jeez, okay, angry. Oh, it's Monster Kid, I think. Is that Monster Kid? I think it is, anyway. You, Chris, show up earlier next time. I ended up having to partner with Snowy. Now he keeps turning to me and saying, howdy partner, like a cowboy. Wow. Wait. Is this Temmie? Temmie! Crisp. Our vessels can already have partner. What? Did her arm just like... Okay, is this an egg? It's a black and white hard-boiled egg. Sadly seems like it already has a partner, wow. Ah, Chris, late again I see. You need a partner? Sorry, I'm already partners with the second smartest student. Who's the smartest one then? Is it you? Though, wait, Chris, now that I think about it, your unique skill set might help a lot on this assignment. What happened to his face? Oh no. Not. I actually want to get an A. Rude. I'm probably smarter than you. What is he doing? Is he just having a little dance out down there? Chris, you know Joggington and Catty are always partners. We're the ultimate academic duo ever since our first gym class. It was hula hoop day and they ran out of hoops for us. So she used me instead. That's our origin story. That is like the best ever, like, friendship story, like, ever. Click, click, tap, tap. Typical popular girl just on her phone all the time. Taken. Sounds like me. And we have Noelle over here. Hey Chris, what's up? Did you lose your pencil again? Here, you want the candy cane one or the one with lights on it? I want the one with lights on it, man. Huh? You want to be partners? Sorry, Birdley already asked me. But I could ask Miss Alphys if we could make a group of 3. I'll ask if you're sure. Yes, ask. Okay, I'll ask. Miss Alphys, is it okay if we have a group of 3? Hey, what? No, I do not approve this. Abort! What? But Chris doesn't have a... Noelle, what were you saying? She was just saying we're fine being alone. How rude are you? I don't like you, Mr. Nerdy Beak Face thing. Actually, I just wanted to know if... Noelle, can you please speak up? Oh. Oh, it's Susie. Hi! Chalk Child. Hi, Susie. Look at her little dinosaur face. Am I late? Me! Oh no, you're fine. We were just choosing partners for the next group project and Susie, you're with Chris. Wow, thanks. Great. Now that everyone's here, I'll write the assignment. Well, I've looked at the bottom of my screen and there's not that much time left for my recording since I only have 15 minutes per recording. So I think I'm just going to have to leave... My hair's such a mess. I think I'm just going to have to leave this part of Deltarune here. But I would definitely make so many more parts of this because I love this game and I've been wanting to play it for so long. So thank you for watching this bit and I will hope to see you in the next video. Bye!